What's up guys, it's Ryan here back with another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the biggest, baddest smartphone gimbal on the market, the Hohem isteady M6. So if you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss my next video. So if you're into smartphone cinematography or you like vlogging on your smartphone, you should definitely watch this video all the way to the end, because this gimbal have a lot of features that you definitely want to see. So the three big gimbal makers on the market for a smartphone are DJI, Zion, and Hohem. But this new M6 gimbal from Hohem is gonna put a lot of heat on DJI and Zion. Just from looking at the box of this gimbal, you could tell that Hohem went back to the drawing board and create something special. And special is what the M6 gimbal is. So let's dive in. So I picked up the M6 kit for $209 on Amazon. The kit includes the gimbal stabilizer, a tripod, 2 charging cable for your smartphone, one for iPhone and one for Android, a charging cable for the gimbal, and an AI vision sensor which doubles as a light. The AI vision sensor allows the gimbal to track you regardless of what camera app you're in. And it doesn't matter whether you're using the rear or front camera. The gimbal looks and feels really good. Very rare you find a smartphone gimbal with such an intricate control area. But let's start with the basics, assuming that you're completely clueless about smartphone gimbals. The Hohem isteady M6 is a 3-axis smartphone stabilizer that allows you to get very smooth video. The controls on this gimbal are crazy. The first thing that greets you is the nice 0.9-inch OLED display that makes it easy to check your working mode, power, and Bluetooth connection. It has an M button that allows you to switch between PF, PTF, L, and POV mode. You also have an infinite inception mode, which is a mode that you find on a lot of gimbals these days. There's also a joystick that allows you to control the movement of the gimbal, as well as a record button to start and stop recording. You can even take pictures with the record button, and you can do this regardless of what app you're in, as long as you're connected via Bluetooth. There's an orange toggle around the record button that allows you to zoom in and out, but this only works in the isteady app. On the left side of the gimbal, there's an A and B movement button. The A and B movement button can intelligently record the shooting track and quickly set the starting point and stopping point. There's also a multifunctional wheel on the left side that allows you to adjust the virtual reality of the shooting picture, as well as adjust the CCT and RGB lighting mode, color temperature, and brightness. And when I say virtual reality, I'm talking about focus and roll. On the right side of the gimbal, you will find a USB-C charging port, the power button, and a 1/4-20 screw point. There's also 2 other 1/4-20 screw points on the gimbal, which makes mounting accessories very easy, whether it's a microphone or video light. The gimbal also have a pretty nice tripod, but what really stands out is the AI tracking feature from the AI vision sensor. This thing worked like a charm. All you have to do is make sure that it's turned on and use simple hand gestures to activate it. And as you can see here, all I have to do is use the OK sign to activate it, and when I move, it follows me. And as I said, it doesn't matter what camera or camera app I'm using, it just works. Even without the AI tracking feature, the gimbal feels really premium. The grip feels better than the Smooth 5S. The phone holder also feels better than the Smooth 5S. Another feature that I know creators will definitely appreciate is the OLED display, because it's nice to be able to see your mode as well as Bluetooth connection and battery life. I took the gimbal on a little adventure to Liberty Dam in Maryland, and as you can see here, the footage was really smooth. I even tried the AI tracking feature while I was heading down to the fall to get a better view of the dam, and it worked fine. When paired with a really good smartphone like the iPhone 14 Pro Max, you'll be able to get really good video footage, because the iPhone 14 Pro Max autofocus is top notch, and coupled with the AI tracking, vlogging will be better than ever. I really think this gimbal is perfect for solo content creators who do a lot of vertical videos for TikTok or even exercise videos due to the AI tracking feature. The Hohem M6 is also perfect for live streaming, because when you sit it on a table, it's at the perfect height, and you can also use the built-in light to light yourself. The light that is built into the sensor assembly is a RGB light that can be used in CCT mode. While in CCT mode, the color temperature ranges from 2700K to 6500K. You can also cycle through the RGB lights to find something that fits your style. It's also possible to charge the smartphone from the M6 while you're recording or doing a live stream. Speaking of charging, the M6 has a 2600 mAh battery and can last up to 18 hours on a single charge, which I think is great. You can totally rig out this gimbal with a light and a microphone, and no need to worry if the gimbal will be able to manage the weight. The isteady M6 can handle up to 400 grams due to its really strong motors. But honestly, I really don't think you need a light. Maybe just a microphone, and the microphone that you choose is totally up to you. I really enjoyed using this gimbal, and I really didn't find any flaws that was worth talking about. The stabilization is great, and with the AI tracking feature and its ability to handle more weight, I would definitely say that it's the best smartphone gimbal on the market. And what makes me enjoy using the gimbal even more is the fact that I can use the AI tracking feature in the native camera app. So great AI tracking feature, great stabilization, and great control interface. I really think that's a recipe for good videos and photos. I personally think that the Hohem isteady M6 will definitely be a winner in the smartphone gimbal market, and you can definitely check it out with the link that I've provided in the description below. So guys, that is it for my review of the Hohem isteady M6. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.